How to make your own playlist on Spotify. Now, if you would like to make your own playlist on Spotify, it is actually quite simple for us to do so. Open the Spotify app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, tap on the Your Library icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the Your Library icon from the bottom right, over here you can see many options. Now, to create our own playlist, tap on the plus icon located at the top right hand side. Then from the bottom, select the option that says playlist and tap on it. Then over here, you can simply go ahead and then give your playlist a certain name. After you do that, just tap on the create button and then you can see we have created the playlist. Now what you want to do is, you can simply add songs to the playlist by tapping on add to this playlist button, and from there you can simply select a list of songs that you would like to add to that playlist, and then you can see we have successfully added the song to our playlist. This way you can make or create your own songs or playlist on Spotify. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.